Making money on Ecwid involves effectively leveraging its e-commerce features to attract customers and boost sales. Here are some strategies to maximize your earnings. Choose the right products. Select products that cater to your target audience. Research trends and consider selling unique or niche items that stand out in the market. Optimize your store. Create an attractive and user-friendly store. Use high-quality images, compelling product descriptions, and clear pricing. Ensure your store is mobile-friendly to capture a wider audience. Utilize SEO. Optimize your product pages for search engines by using relevant keywords. This will help increase visibility and drive organic traffic to your store. Leverage social media. Promote your products through social media channels. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your offerings and engage with potential customers. Offer discounts and promotions. Attract customers by providing discounts, promotions, or limited time offers. This can incentivize purchases and increase customer loyalty. Implement payment and shipping options. Offer multiple payment methods and competitive shipping options to make the purchasing process easy and appealing.